MobiFirst 2.0 is an online widget-based site builder which uses mobile-first technology. It is used to construct web pages that load faster, perform better on every type of device like mobile, tablet and desktop, which leads to higher ranking in Google search. Unlike other builders making you go through endless red tape until you satisfy with what it looks like, MobiFirst 2.0 speeds up the editing process by letting you clone websites, web pages, and even parts of pages so you can look at and compare each edit side by side. The results are tremendous and game-changing. Keep your eyes moving on the next parts of my review to see this by yourself. Summary. Pros. Dramatically increased site speed. Easy point-and-click interface with multiple device views for easy editing. Build an unlimited number of sites for you and your clients when you purchase commercial. Dozens of design templates to choose from. Includes hosting for all MobiFirst sites. Complete design flexibility. Closed source for unmatched site security. Cons. I have not found out any cons related effectiveness of this product yet. Features and benefits. Check out everything MobiFirst Migrate has to offer, and there's so much more. The site speed of MobiFirst build sites is undeniable. The advantage in Google search is shocking with MobiFirst built websites. You see the dramatic improvement in site load times. MobiFirst is a closed-source cloud-based site builder, making it virtually impenetrable to security threats unlike WordPress, which is open source, needs constant updates, heightens security measures, and is still vulnerable to threats. Build an unlimited number of sites and host them all with MobiFirst for a one-time fee. MobiFirst offers complete design flexibility with dozens of pre-made website templates that you can customize to fit any website need, or you can start from scratch. CSS editing is also an option for more advanced designers. MobiFirst is an intuitive widget-based site builder. Simply select the widget that fits your content need and you're done. It's the equivalent of WP plugin without the headaches of compatibility, and it all works seamlessly. MobiFirst speeds up the editing process. Unlike other builders where you have to save changes, check them, then go back and re-edit, resave, and recheck over and over and over until you see what you like. MobiFirst allows you to clone websites, web pages, and even parts of pages so you can look at and compare each edit side by side. You can even see what your site will look like on a phone, tablet, and desktop all in one editing preview. MobiFirst offers two choices, personal and commercial. The one-time fee commercial license allows you to build unlimited websites and have them all hosted on the platform at a non-recurring fee, and you can build websites for your clients as well. MobiFirst frequently asked questions. Can I use the software everywhere? Yes, MobiFirst is a SaaS, and it runs on all devices where you can access the internet. Will you continue to update this software and maintain it? MobiFirst has been 3 years in development. They have long-term plans to keep this software ahead of the demands for mobile and desktop needs and for helping their customers build strong businesses. Are there autos? Yes. There are 4 autos. OTO1 is the template club for 120 additional templates throughout the year. OTO2 is the local lead pack for offering great services to niche businesses. OTO3 is MobiFirst University for 6 hours of training from the MobiFirst Ninja, Silvio. OTO4 is their optional SSL certificate service. If I decide that I want a refund from MobiFirst, what do? They know that MobiFirst works because they use it every day and because they have beta tested this for 4 months and their beta testers are creating sites and building businesses with it. And they know that it'll work for you as well. But just to prove that they 100% believe in MobiFirst, they will guarantee it over the next 30 days. If MobiFirst doesn't work like they said it would, open a support ticket with your results showing where you used it and that you've followed their extensive training, and then they'll look it over themselves. They have extensive training, facts in the support area, a Facebook group, and more to help you become successful with MobiFirst. If, after all that, you still want a refund, Then they'll refund you every penny.